Good day everyone. So today I got Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and I was getting too many requests to flash the Android 14. First of all, I would say sorry for the lines because I'm getting too many lines on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I cannot afford to buy to change the LED because the LED of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is way expensive. The ROM that I have flashed on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, just check the model number of my mobile phone, right? And this ROM, the PixelOS, is basically GSI ROM that can be flashed with the TWRP, and this ROM can be flashed on the Exynos chipset and as well on the Snapdragon chipset of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But you must download the TWRP according to the model. Exynos users will flash the Exynos TWRP, and Snapdragon users will download the Snapdragon TWRP, and they must know how to flash it, and also the bootloader must be unlocked to flash the TWRP. Android 14 Android security update baseband version I got the baseband version also. This is kernel version and the build number, if you can see. Now I am using this ROM from quite a long time, and believe me, I could not find a bug. According to the developer, that we must have to flash the One UI 5.21. So I flashed the One UI 5.1 latest ROM first. Then I was using a Volcano ROM, and then I flashed this GSI PixelOS on this mobile phone, and I could not get any issues. I could not get any bugs. I am not getting any lag right now. So far the ROM is working perfectly. Now here are few settings that will help if you are getting any issues. For example, this is the video that I recorded earlier. I have to go like in settings, then to Samsung features, and disable built-in in back mic may fix broker mic on video recording. So I turn it on this option, right? And then later on I record a video. This was the another video before, and then this was the video after. Good evening. So this is Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So the broken mic got fixed after turning on the feature. Let me record one more video. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So the video, you can see that this is the Pixel 6a, and I am using Pixel operating system on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So the video, you can, the broken mic got fixed by that going to that settings and turning on that option, right? So the AOSP camera is working perfectly. We can take the picture, we can record videos, and we can record video 4K, but no 60 FPS, only 30 FPS is available. This ROM coming not default device certified, so we have to root the ROM and then we can make the device certified. The safety net will also get passed after making the device certified. Well, I have rooted the ROM. I have installed the modules. Galaxy wearable application, you can see that it is working. Other applications are also working that have been downloaded straight from the Google Play Store, right? Battery is really good with the ROM. Now one more thing, if I go to about device, then if I tap radio info, you can see that mobile radio power, you can turn it on, you can turn it off. VoLTE, here you can turn it on, and same video calling, we can turn it on and turn it off. And here are few more features and options available that we can turn on and turn off. The treble settings having many more options over here. After flashing the ROM, if you know that what are these four, you can use it, you can apply it from going to this settings menu. According to the developer, that the refresh rate 120 Hz is little bit laggy, but I am using 120 Hz. I could not find it laggy. But in case if you find it laggy, you can just turn it off selecting the 60 Hz. And if we go to wallpaper styles, we can customize the home screen and we can customize the lock screen the way you like. Now if you ask about the lagging, well, I cannot see and I cannot find lagging using the ROM, like browsing for social media, checking videos on YouTube. No, I cannot see lag while using the ROM. So at the end, I would like to say that those who like to have a customized ROM, those who like to have a good battery life with the ROM, those who like to have a change on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, those who like to have a stock Android ROM, and those who have a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, if they are a flashaholic, they can go for this ROM. Try it, use it. If you like it, you can stick with it. If you don't like it, you can flash the stock firmware back on the mobile phone. How to flash the ROM on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra? Watch the further video. And if you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel also. Click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. Thank you, I appreciate that. Watch the further video. So these are the files that we have to download, and links provided in my video description. This is the boot animation, in resolution of 1080p. If you are not going to flash this one, then the resolution will not be in 1080p, it will be in small size. This is the Odin pack for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 4G mobile phone, 4G variant. And for the Note 20 Ultra 5G variant, I have provided a link in my video description. You can download the C2S LTE pack for the N986B Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G by clicking the link right. For the C2S Odin pack for Note 20 Ultra 4G, link also provided. Just click the link and download the Odin pack. Must download the Odin pack. This Odin pack is having TWRP and VB meter. But I don't have the Snapdragon TWRP, so I cannot help for the Snapdragon users. You need to search by yourself on the internet. And the Google Drive link also provided. If you click the link, so the website will get open or the Google Drive like this one. You can download the files from here. For example, this is the PixelOS flash in TWRP file. This is the Pixel ROM file which is having 1.92 GB file size, and Google application is also coming with the ROM. There is no need to flash the Google application separately, right? You can read the description. You will get all information by reading my video description. So after downloading the Pixel ROM, then you can go in TWRP folder by double clicking on it, and you can download the boot animation, the one you like. If you want to have S24 boot animation, you can download this one and flash it with the help of TWRP. And if you want to have a large size the pixel boot animation, you can go for this one, 1080p, like flashing it with TWRP. But we need to download this one, TWRP boot logo patcher. We have to flash this patcher file first, then second time we can flash one of these. And in the Magisk or kernel SU modules folder, I will double click on it. You can download the modules, the one you like. I just download the play integrity fix, but not this one. If I download and use this one, I have to update it. Currently the play integrity fix updated version is around like 17.9. like if you are watching this video in future, just check the latest version and download the latest version and then install it with the help of the Magisk. Why we have to root? Because we need, if you want to make the device certified, if you want to get the safety net pass, then we have to root the ROM. And the Magisk currently latest version 28.0 link also provided. Well, I didn't provide the particular 28.0. I just provide the Magisk website link. If you click the link, in case if the latest or above version available, just go for that. Now first of all, we need to extract the Odin 3.14.1, then open the extracted folder of 3.14.1 and double click the Odin to open it. Click OK on this pop-up window and then Odin, click any slot. I will go for AP and I will go to my downloaded folder. Then I have to select the C2S, the Note 20 Ultra 4G Odin Pack TAR extension file by double clicking on it. Now coming back towards the mobile phone, in case if you are not having any custom ROM, if you are using stock One UI ROM, then your mobile phone must be updated to the latest One UI. Just check the latest version by going to the software update, update your mobile phone, then flash this PixelOS GSI ROM, because if you are not having latest One UI version and are flashing this PixelOS ROM, it will get flash, but you will get problem with the SMS, maybe with the video calling, maybe with the mic issue, maybe like recording voice messages in WhatsApp or Telegram, or maybe Telegram video calling. You will get in issues if you are not having One UI latest version on the mobile phone. And in case if the mobile phone is updated once to the latest One UI 5 or 5.1, then if you are using like custom ROM, then it's okay. Like in my case, I updated my mobile phone to the One UI latest version, then I flashed the Volcano ROM, and then I flashed the PixelOS this one, and things are okay with my mobile phone, right? I hope you got my point. You must have an unlock bootloader, because lock bootloader will not get any flashable file on the mobile phone. Second thing is to save all the internal storage data, because the data will be formatted. Check the battery must be charged like minimum 30%. Mobile phone battery is charged like 50, 60, 70, then that is much better. Turn off the lock screen if you are using One UI. Turn it off or select the swipe. And if you are using AOSP any custom ROM, then go and select the swipe also to remove or to turn off the lock screen. Then definitely go to password and passkeys. In case if you are using One UI, sync your Samsung account. In case if you are using Samsung account, then must remove it, and same way sync your Google account, remove it to avoid any issues later on. Well, things done that we have to do before flashing. Now simply power off the mobile phone. You need to check the other side of the cable must be connected with computer. Now when mobile phone gets power off totally, press and hold the volume up key, volume down key. Then connect the cable with the mobile phone. You will see a warning screen, release both keys. Well, my mobile phone booted straight to the audience screen, but your mobile phone maybe have a warning screen first. Then you need to press the volume up key to boot the mobile phone into audience screen. Now my mobile phone was also doing the same thing, but I have no idea after flashing the customized ROM. Now my mobile phone is booting straight to the audience screen. Well, I'm not getting any issues with it. Well, if I flash the stock ROM, things will get okay. The audience screen is supposed to be like the KG state must show checking, then the recovery will get flash. If the KG state showing pre-normal, maybe you will get issues flashing the TWRP, and the FRP lock must shows off. OEM lock must show off in a brackets. You will see U, which means that the bootloader is already unlocked. Now the phone is connected with computer and the Odin is already detected the mobile phone. Go to options on Odin and tick the auto reboot. Go back to log, then click start to start flashing the Odin pack file on the mobile phone. When you see pass message, means that done. You can exit the Odin and you can go to downloaded folder, and we have to boot the mobile phone into TWRP because the mobile phone did not reboot automatically. We untick the auto reboot option. That is why still it is booted into Odin mode. For booting the mobile phone into TWRP from Odin screen, we need to press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, power key. When mobile phone gets restart, release the volume down key first, and then wait, and when you see logo, release the power key. Just wait here. 1 2 3 4 5. Now you can release the volume up key. So the mobile phone will show the TWRP screen soon. This is actually pitch black recovery. It's not TWRP, but the base is same, right? So on the recovery screen, first thing we have to do is to tap wipe, then tap format data, type YES, then tap here. Then go back to main screen, tap here the power button and tap reboot to recovery. So the pitch black recovery screen appears once again on the mobile phone. So finally we got the internal storage. I will go to my downloaded folder, and first of all we have to copy the Magis root file. Doesn't matter if it is in APK format, right? Then the ROM file and the TWRP boot logo patcher file. These three files we have to copy first, then we'll do the things later on, right? Copy these three files from the downloaded folder, then go to the internal storage of the mobile phone and paste all three files on the internal storage. So I got the three files on the internal storage. I will press the power button and will swipe to unlock the pitch black recovery screen. Now simply tap install. Select the Pixel ROM file first by tapping on it, then swipe to start flashing. Flashing done. Now read here nodes. Number 1, wipe data, and number 2, reboot to recovery. Number 3, install TWRP boot patcher file, then reboot the system, right? So when the ROM gets flash, then go back to main screen, tap wipe, then just do the factory data reset thing. When it is done, then go back to main screen and tap the power button, then tap reboot to recovery. Recovery screen comes once again. Now tap install and select the TWRP boot logo patcher by tapping on it and then swipe to start flashing it. Done. Now go back, and I cannot see the Magis file over here. Well, I will tap the internal storage on my computer screen to check. I got the Magis file over here. I can see the Magis file over here, but it is not showing on the internal storage. So I have to rename the Magis file, which is already copied on my internal storage. I am right now on my internal storage of my mobile phone. Now I will click the Magis 28.0 file, then I will press F2. I will come to the end of the file. I will just erase the APK and then I will type ZIP. Press enter key once again, so the file will convert from APK to ZIP. On the mobile phone screen, just go back, then tap install once again. Now you can see the Magis file over here. We have to root the ROM, so tap the Magis.zip on the mobile phone screen by tapping on it to select and then swipe to start flashing or start rooting. Okay, things done. Just tap reboot, then tap system. Cable is connected. I'm not going to disconnect it right now. It will be connected. I will show what you have to do later on. Now just wait here. The mobile phone will stay a little bit on this Samsung logo. Then the mobile phone will start booting to the PixelOS. One more thing, my mobile phone is not 5G, it is 4G. Actually, I flashed the Volcano ROM, so that is why the boot logo is also got changed. If you can see, the current boot animation is very small, like not in large size. That is why we have to install the boot animation PixelOS 1080p. Maybe this one is like 720. Let's see later on then. So the first boot completed, setup screen appears, and I can see the feedback while the circle thing is bouncing, and I can see the feedback. Usually this thing comes with the Google Pixel devices. This is pure PixelOS ROM for GSI ROM. Now complete the setup screen. ROM got flash very smoothly and very perfectly. First thing that I have to do is to we'll go to settings, then we'll go to display, because the font size is small for me and also the display size is small for me. I will tap display size and text, then I will tap the plus sign just for once, and I will tap the plus signs of the font size just for once, and then I will tap the bold text, and now it is good to go. I can see the things clearly. I will just tap the screen time out to 2 minutes so I can do the things more clearly. Okay, I got the ROM on my mobile phone. We'll go to about phone. My mobile phone is N985F, the 4G variant, and if I tap Android 14, you can see, and I can see that I got the Android 14 PixelOS GSI ROM on my mobile phone. As I mentioned before that, I can change the settings by turning on the options available here if I am getting any issues using this ROM. I have to root the device. The Magis is already here, but it is supposed to be installed. Well, the cable is connected. I will scroll down the control center or notification bar, then I will tap here, and then again tap here, tap charging this device, and then selecting file transfer. So the internal storage will appears on the computer screen. We'll go to my downloaded folder, and this time I will copy the boot animation pixel file, the play integrity fix file, and the Google spoof for where those who like to have Galaxy wearable application to be running on the PixelOS ROM. This is module for those, right? Like those who want to connect the Samsung earbuds, Samsung Galaxy watches. And also we have to copy the magis.apk file. Just check boot animation pixel, Google spoof for where, Magis 28.0 APK, whatever the current version available, and the play integrity fix file. Copy all these files that I have selected from the downloaded folder, go to the internal storage, paste all the files over here. We got the files, and I am done right now from the computer. I will disconnect the cable first from the mobile phone. Then we'll go to my menu, and then I will tap the files to open it, allow, then I will tap internal storage, we'll scroll down, I will select and I will tap the Magis file to get installed. And this is the first time, so it must be asking for permission. Tap settings and give permission to get installed, and tap update. Go back, Magis was installed, right? And we'll go back to menu. I can see the Magis icon is converted now properly. Now I can see it. Tap to open the Magis application. Your device needs addition setup for Magis, so it requires a reboot. Yes, this thing only will come only first time installing the Magis application, right? Tap OK to reboot the mobile phone. Rebooting completed. We'll go back to menu, tap Magis application to open it once again, and this thing will pop up every time when we open the Magis application, so we have to cancel it every time. Now on Magis screen, tap settings, then scroll down, turn on the Zygis by tapping on here, then go back, then tap modules, tap internet for install from the storage, tap recent, select the internal storage, change the view and scroll down, select the boot animation pixel first by tapping on it, then tap OK, done, right? And go back again, install from storage, scroll down and tap play integrity fix module to let install it on the mobile phone. Done. Once again go back, then tap install from storage, scroll down, select Google spoof for where, and then tap OK. It will also get installed. Okay, done. Now you can go back to main screen, then go to settings, then tap apps, see all apps, search for PLAY. First, select the Play Store by tapping on it. Tap Storage Cache, clear storage, delete, done, go back. This time select Play Services. Tap Storage and Cache, clear storage, clear all data, delete, done, go to main screen. If you want, you can tap Magis application to open it, then tap Cancel, tap the circle thing here, then tap Reboot. Now definitely the boot animation of the Google will be in large size, not that much, but like the one before it was too small, this time it will be little bit bigger. And you can see that before the G was very small, and I can see that the G size is little bit bigger. So rebooting done. Things all done very smoothly. Just connect the internet on your mobile phone, or put a SIM card in your mobile phone, start using the ROM, start calling, start using the mobile data, log in your Gmail account, open the Google Play Store, start downloading your favorite application straight away from the Google Play Store, and use the ROM the way you like. Do not forget to like the video, and I will appreciate a lot if you subscribe my channel. We'll see you in my next video. And one more thing, I am going to check the Android 15 GSI ROM on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and will be bringing the video soon. So take a good care of yourself. Goodbye.